Junk food is bad to your health. It causes cancer. I have 5 members in my family.
Okay, that is the thing, winner thing you have won. That is great. Okay, yes. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Look who is here. He is
I'm Niaj.
Niaj. Are you Niaj Mahmoud?
No, I'm Kaji Niaj.
Kaji Niaj, okay. So today we have a very special guest whose name is Niaj. আজকে আমরা নিয়াজের সাথে কথা বলবো, but Niaj doesn't like to speak in Bangla. নিয়াজ মোটেও বাংলা বলতে পছন্দ করে না. He always like to speak in English, right? He always likes to speak in English, okay. He has many questions. He always try to ask me one by one, and he doesn't.
You could ask me easy questions.
Why?
Don't ask me a hard question.
Why? Hard question is very tough for you to deliver the answer.
Yes.
ওকে, আচ্ছা, আজকে আমরা হচ্ছে গিয়ে নিয়াজের সাথে একটু কথোপকথন করব এবং এই কথোপকথনে হচ্ছে নিয়াজের পার্সোনাল কিছু পছন্দ অপছন্দ নিয়ে উই উইল ট্রাই টু ডিসকভার, রাইট? অ্যান্ড নিয়াজও আমাকে কিছু প্রশ্ন করতে পারে। সো নিয়াজ খুবই প্রশ্ন করে এবং যেসব বাচ্চারা বেশি প্রশ্ন করে তারা কিন্তু অনেক বেশি ভালো হয়। ওকে, সো আই থিঙ্ক নিয়াজ হি ইজ আ ভেরি গুড বয়। ওকে, সো নিয়াজ, হাউ আর ইউ ডুইং টুডে?
I'm fine.
Okay.
And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good today. And where do you live?
I live in Gazipur Simultaly United Tower. And you?
Oh, I live in also Gazipur, but I have two offices. One is in Uttara, another is in Gazipur. Okay, can you look on the camera?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Niyaz, do you like our class? You do the kids English class at Talenta. Do you like this?
Yes, I like this.
Okay, and what do you like to do in your free time?
I do free time to play.
Like what kind of game do you play?
I'll play football.
Football?
Yes.
And do you have any favorite team or player?
I was playing alone.
Oh, you were playing alone?
Yes.
You don't have any partner to play with?
No.
Do you play at home or do you play at playground?
I play at home.
You play at home?
Yes.
Okay. And yes, what is your sports time?
I don't have any sports time, so I play football at home.
At home, okay. So which specific time do you play? After school or in the evening or afternoon? Is there any particular time you really like to play?
I'll play all time in our home.
You play all the time?
Yes.
Oh my God, you don't have any lesson to read or study?
Yes, I study at 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Yes.
And 5 p.m. to till?
7 p.m.
Oh, 5 to 7 p.m. Wonderful. So few minutes earlier, you have just told me that junk food is not healthy for your body. So why did you tell me that? Why don't you like to take the junk food? Most of the kids, they always like to take the junk food, chocolate and the foods that
And cakes.
particularly made for kids. And why don't you
food-
take them?
Junk food is bad to your health. It causes cancer.
It causes cancer.
Yes.
Okay, who told you this? How do you get this information?
Sister is told me.
Okay, your sister told you. What type of food do you take for your health?
I just eat healthy foods.
Can you give some example of the healthy foods?
I also like healthy foods. All healthy food. Vegetables, meat, fish.
Okay.
I eat fish. Eat fish bones stuck in my neck.
Oh, fish bone.
Yes.
So don't you just rip out the fish bone from the fish
I remove the fish bone on the fish and
Okay.
eat.
and you eat it?
Yes.
So who helped you on this preparing the fish for you? Your mom?
All of them.
All of them? Everyone?
Yes.
So how many family members do you have?
I have 5 members in my family.
Okay. Can you tell who are they?
Dad, mom, and little sister, elder sister, and me.
Oh, your little sister and little sister. So whom do you like most in your family?
I like all of them.
All of them?
Yes.
You don't have any special person in your family? Do you like to go outdoor? Like, do you like to travel anywhere, any places with your family?
My mom band.
She doesn't like you to go anywhere?
I play in my home.
Only you play at your home?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just share me lastly Where did you visit?
Yes, I visit my grandma's home
Okay.
and Soha.
And Soha's home? Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Do you like me?
Yes, I like it.
In our last drawing competition, you have won a gift or won a prize, right? Can you
Yes.
remember?
I draw 4 pictures.
You have received a crest, right?
I'm going to talk about my pictures.
Yes, you can. Sure.
Village, football,
Mm-hmm.
and iPhone 17 Pro Max, ice cream.
Oh, these 4 pictures you have drawn over there.
Yes.
Okay.
You could give a third prize.
Okay, so you have won the 3rd prize, and you were happy with that.
Yes, in our home.
In our home. Okay, that is the thing, winner thing you have won. That is great. Okay, yes. So do you have any question to ask me?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Where do you live?
Oh, I live in Gazipur. Sometimes I live in Dhaka.
And
Both are my places.
what's your favorite game?
Game? Okay, when I was kids like you, I used to like to play the football game. But when I have grown up, I become bigger. Then I started liking the cricket. And later, when I'm big like now, so I really, I really like the badminton.
You will win the cricket cup?
No, I'm very bad player. I never own anything in my life, you know.
What's your favorite food?
Ah, thank you. I don't have any special food which is my favorite, but yes, I like the fruits very much. The Bangladeshi fruits, I really like them.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is the juice of watermelon.
What's your favorite fruit?
Oh, my favorite fruit is mango. I really like it. In the summer season, I receive the mango. Sometimes I like the green mangoes, and sometimes I like the
Yellow?
Yes, yellow mangoes. Both are very delicious. Though the green mangoes are a little sour, but I really like to take it on the hot time.
I eat green mangoes. It is very sour.
Yes. Okay, Niaz, thank you very much for joining with me today. So next time we will try to cover another video with another topic. Okay, so tell everyone bye-bye.
Bye.
And tell everyone, please support me
Support me
and share this video with your friends.
and share this video with your friends.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.